Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you're watching to the Market Watch review. Most of the major Asia-Pacific equity markets declined, with India being a notable exception. Stoxx 600 in Europe suffered a 0.9% decline yesterday after a 5-day rally. The dollar is slightly more firm today, but U.S. futures remain at yesterday's close levels. The dollar is stable against all major currencies. After a 3-day slide to $1,760, gold is trying to end the slide. Last week, it settled at $1,802. October WTI discovered a base of just $85.50 and is currently at $88.50 in Europe near midday. Asian Pacific market. Many people are familiar with China's rolled-down lockdowns to stop COVID and the implosion property market. This is a key driver of growth and accumulation. There is a new threat. According to a report, extreme weather caused water levels in Sichuan's hydropower reserves to rise as high as 50% this month. This led to the shuttering factories, hubs for solar panels, cement, and urea. The range of the dollar is very narrow, with it being within the JPY 135 region. This week, the Australian dollar was aggressively sold. It started at $0.7115 and today it was $0.6900. This is in line with the 50% retracement objective for the rally that began from the mid-July low of $0.6880. Market of Europe. Although the Eurozone has not completed its banking and monetary union yet, the ECB stated that it would harmonize how banks offer cryptocurrency assets and have sufficient capital. Although crypto companies have reached agreements with several national authorities in EMU member states, it is unlikely that there will be common EU licensing rules anytime soon. There are many national rules that differ from one another, so in certain countries, crypto activity may need a license. The euro briefly rose to $1. Yesterday afternoon in North America, the euro briefly climbed to $1. It returned to yesterday's lows near $1.0145, but it found a bit. Sterling fell to $1.1995, its lowest point since July 26. Market of America. After the FOMC minutes were released, U.S. interest rates eased and the dollar fell. Although the market seemed to be focusing on the concerns of many members about it tightening, there was no indication that they would stop raising rates. It suggests that inflation expectations are more likely to be embedded. According to the minutes, more hikes were necessary and that a restrained stance might be needed for some time. The U.S. dollar gained against the Canadian dollar, extending its recovery to almost CAD 1.2950. This is its highest level since August 8. New offers from Europe in the morning pushed it lower, bringing it back to CAD 1.2900. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.